On a Math Swap Tutoring here with another SAT type math problem for you. I encourage you to look at this problem and pause the video to try to solve it on your own, and then unpause it, and then we'll get into it. So this is actually a pretty easy one. Now, of course, the way this will look on the SAT is more likely they will ask you to find an equivalent expression, and they'll give you four answer choices. Um, but basically, all it involves is really you just being able to simplify, you know, an expression. Okay. All right. So let's look at this here. 3x squared minus 6 minus negative x squared plus 4x minus 4. Now, initially looking at this, you might be able to see, I could probably factor out a 3 here. Um, I could maybe if there's a negative factor out of there, I can factor this, but is that going to be helpful? No, we want to simplify the expression. So what you need to do is expand it. You need to expand it, okay? So I'm going to rewrite this after distributing this negative throughout this actual, this polynomial here. So this is going to be 3x squared minus 6. So it's going to be plus x squared minus 4x plus 4, okay? So now we're going to combine like terms. So these are like terms, and these are like terms. Okay, so let's combine those. So it's going to be 4x squared um, minus 4x, and then negative 6 plus 4 is going to be a minus 2. Negative 6 plus 4 is minus 2. All right, and that's it. Okay, so not much to this problem here except for you to make sure that you understand that expanding this out to simplify it is what you need to do, not necessarily factoring at the beginning or anything like that. It's not going to be helpful. Okay, let me know if you got this. Make sure you comment below. Make sure you like and subscribe, and also have a good one. Hey, thank you for watching this video. If you need math tutoring or you need SAT math help, look in the description to find out how you can sign up today. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you stay in touch with Math Swap Tutoring on YouTube. Have a good one.